guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this year's fall clean and decorate with me for the 2021 season. I am so excited for this video. I am so beyond ready to be in the fall season, to be decorating for fall. Fall is actually one of my favorite seasons, and as I've gotten older, I've grown so much more of an appreciation for the season. I never used to like it, but I love this season now, especially being originally from Oregon. It's such a beautiful time of year over there, and just seeing all the changing of colors with the leaves, even though we don't really get that here in Texas very often, but I still just love the season, and it's got a near and dear place to my heart. And it's also kind of like the kickoff for the holiday season. I can't believe how fast this year has gone and that we are already pretty much into the fall season, and soon it's going to be Thanksgiving and then Christmas and then a new year, and it's just insane. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff in today's video. We're going to be cleaning, we're going to be doing DIY projects, we're going to be decorating, the whole shebang, and I'm very excited. I'm doing kind of a little bit of a different style this year. I usually do a lot of decor, we whip out all the garland and everything, but I kind of just wanted to tone it down this year. I low-key feel like there's like this silent competition of who can decorate their houses better for fall sometimes, and this year I'm just like not about that. I want simple, I want minimal. I don't, like I said in one of my last videos, I don't want to feel like fall threw up in my house. I just want it very tasteful and just nice and easy, and pumpkins. You know, I still love pumpkins, and I will probably still have pumpkins all over my house, but I just want to kind of tone it down a little bit with the minimalist vibes. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite thing about fall is. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And yeah, let's get to it.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain?
Okay, so we are kicking off this clean with me in my kitchen per usual, and I'm just cleaning my kitchen sink, which I feel like I haven't done in a clean with me for quite some time. If you guys are watching like my old videos, or if you have in the past, I used to always clean my kitchen sink in every single one of those videos, and I just haven't for quite some time. I mean, I still clean my sink, but I just haven't filmed them in my video. And I'm pulling out the oldie but a goodie Mrs. Meyers cream cleanser. I love this stuff. I really think that it just like brightens up your sink, cleans everything out so well, and it's just a staple product. I get that from Grove. I will leave a link down below if you guys haven't tried Grove. It's a really great company. They sell like all natural cleaning products, household items. They sell skincare, supplements, and whatnot, and I just think it's a really great company. And they also have the best holiday scents, whether it's fall or Christmas time or even springtime. They always have tons of amazing just like scents for cleaners and whatnot, and so I always like to stock up on some of those every once in a while. I also bought that little porcelain dish and tray from Grove as well. It's like a little soap dispenser. You put a little bit of soap in there, put a little springboard in there, and then it comes with like a little brush, as you guys can see, and I use it for when I'm just like cleaning random dishes that don't go in my dishwasher, and it's just a really cute staple item to go on my kitchen sink area.
Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder.
Okay, so I need your guys' advice on something as far as like how to clean this stove. So obviously I'm cleaning all the grime and food and everything, but the top of those burners and the grates, I have struggled with trying to figure out how to get the burnt on gunk and just like, I don't know if it's like just like burnt stuff stuck that's on top of the burners and the grates. I cannot for the life of me get it off. I've soaked them, I've used all sorts of different types of methods and nothing just seems to work. So if you guys recommend a specific product that can get all that black stuff off of those grates and off of the burners, I would much appreciate that because they really need a good scrub down. And I know eventually when we move, I'm really gonna have to deep clean them. So if you guys have any recommendations on some good products that will get all that stuff off, please let me know.
Father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine.
So now I'm just moving on to the living room and taking all of my laundry upstairs. You guys give this video a thumbs up if you struggle with not only folding but putting away laundry, because that is me right there. After I threw up all my laundry upstairs, I decided to take off this like chair cover that I've had on this chair for years. I know underneath it's a super dark brown couch, but I wanted to kind of change up the space a little bit, especially for fall, incorporate kind of like those dark tones again. And I kind of forgot how much I missed that like brown shade, because I really for a long time was going for like the very light gray, blue, like no warm tones whatsoever in my house and in my living room. And I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but I am kind of slowly wanting to redecorate my home, just kind of change stuff up a little bit, kind of move away from the farmhouse decor, but kind of keep it, but more so do like a minimalist with a little bit of boho vibe in it. And so I'm trying to eliminate like all of the like grays and whatnot and start incorporating more warm tones. And yeah, I'm really excited. I really don't have a sense of direction of like how I'm going to decorate it, but I'm slowly just starting to just change stuff here and there. So now I am going to be vacuuming my couch. I should probably be doing this more often, but it's such a pain, as you can see, because to really deep clean it and vacuum everything, I have to take every single cushion out, and it's just not fun, and my back hurts afterwards. I really want to get one of those Dyson vacuums because those just look like such a dream and they're so easy, but they are also super expensive. So until we do that, I got my Bissell.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain. Shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb.
Okay, so I'm just about to start doing a little painting. I have a couple old pumpkins that I'm just going to paint over, and then the bag of pumpkins that I showed you in my last video when I was doing my fall decor that I'm going to paint. And I think I'm just going to keep it kind of neutral with like whites, some oranges, a little bit of green, and just keep it very like natural. So I think I'm going to start off with this pumpkin. I'm just kind of like over the bright orange colors, and I think I'm going to do these like a cream whitish color and then see where we go from there.
Breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go.
Okay, so the pumpkins have been painted and I love how they came out. These orange ones, I don't know if you guys can see in the light very well. But I really like how they turned out. I just kind of like added a little bit of dimension to them so they weren't so like flat. These green ones are super cute as well, just something different. And then this white one, that was a 3-tiered that had like all the different oranges. I just painted it all like a creamy white. That's still drying, so I'm not gonna pick that up, but I love how that turned out. And then those white ones back there, I'm just gonna keep white. And then I have like a bunch of those ones upstairs that I'll put throughout the house. And then I was gonna paint this one, but I decided not to because it's like a pretty like sturdy pumpkin, you guys. So I'm just gonna keep it, and I think it'll go okay with these ones. I mean, I'm gonna spread them out throughout the house. So now that I'm moving on to the decorating portion of this video, I am just going to be diffusing some essential oils. I'm using the brand Plant Therapy, which I really love this company. Their oils are not only very clean, they are affordable, and they have a military discount, which doesn't hurt, by the way. I'm just putting a bunch of different oils into my diffuser, like sweet orange, some bergamot, cinnamon, a little bit of vanilla, just to create a nice fall scent to flow through my home while I'm decorating and really get me in the spirit of fall. And I've really enjoyed diffusing oils all throughout the year. I change up the scents depending on what season we're in, and I've really steered away from candles, which I love candles, but just knowing how toxic they are, I've just started using the oils, and honestly I really enjoy it. You can't tell the difference, and you get the same scents, and it's fun because you kind of get to create and mix up your own scents and mix and match stuff, which is really fun as well. So if you guys haven't heard of this company or you're wanting to try some essential oils, I will leave a link down below. It's a referral link, so you guys can go and check out some oils or purchase some for yourself.
She wanders along the trail down to the river.
So the first thing that I'm going to be decorating is my TV stand, and I'm just cleaning out this little box that we usually put our remotes in that's turned into a little bit of a catch-all. As you guys can see, I have pens in there and my hair ties and whatnot. But on each side, I'm just going to be putting a little bit of paper towel. This is a hack that I love to do every year, and it just kind of helps my decor sit up a little bit higher, like my pumpkins and my pine cones. Rather than filling the box with all my little tiny pumpkins and pine cones, I will put some paper towels in the bottom, and as you guys can see, they just sit up a little bit higher. So I'm just putting different colors in, different pumpkins and pine cones in there, and just seeing how I like it and just playing around with it. And then I'm going to be putting a little bit of pumpkins in front and just really creating a nice space. There's going to be a lot of pumpkins in this video, you guys, by the way, so be prepared. So next I'm just taking this jar of bone broth that I had sitting around my house that was empty, and I cleaned it out, and I decided this would be perfect for a vase. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking off the wrapper, the coating of the product, and then I'm just like scrubbing off all of the extra glue and whatnot, rinsing it off, and it is literally the perfect vase and exactly what I was going for, and it's free. I literally just thought about it the day before, and I was like, oh, I should totally use this jar, and I absolutely love it, and I love how it just like came out and it fit perfectly. And I decided to put some cotton in there, and as you guys can see, I'm kind of doing a little accordion trick, which is really nice if you guys have longer stems but you don't want to cut them in case you have longer vases that you want to use it for later. You just kind of fold the stem like an accordion, and it makes it shorter, and that way you can use it in different types of vases. I learned that this year, and it is such a neat hack, so if you guys haven't tried that, I would highly recommend it.
No end in sight.
I also wanted to share with y'all these vases. I decided I wanted to switch out my tin large vases that I got and get more of these like dainty little kind of like ceramic porcelain looking vases. Like I said, I'm trying to change out the farmhouse decor and do something more like minimal, simple, small like boho touches here and there, and I really like them. They are a little bit smaller than what I thought, but I really like how they came out, and it just kind of like opens up the space a little bit because they're not as big and bulky. And I'm just putting cotton in these as well, and I really love how they came out.
A significant light, just where it was needed. but your face remained the same. The swallows will be here by dawn. And when we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
So after decorating my dining room and bookshelf area, I came back over to the living room and I wanted to share with you guys these pillowcases that I got. I bought some pillowcases off of Amazon just because I kind of wanted to change up the style of my living room and just do more like brighter, like just like cleaner pillows. And I didn't realize how many like pillowcases Amazon sells, and you can just buy the pillowcases and then change them out whenever you want to, or you can buy like pillow inserts and then just buy different pillowcases. And I'm over here like, why have I never thought of this before? I'm always spending tons of money on buying brand new pillows, brand new holiday pillows, and I'm like, I'm never doing this again. I am forever going to be buying pillow inserts because they're so easy to change out and they're way more affordable. So if you guys ever want to like change your pillows out or just update your style, check out Amazon because they have so many different styles, and I love this. They've kind of got, as you can see, the textures and just like the natural woven materials, and I really love these two pillowcases and how they look on my couch. And then now I'm just putting up a wreath on my door. I got a new wreath this year from Amazon as well, and I really like it. It's just some like orange, reddish, yellow eucalyptus leaves, and like I said, kind of steering away from my wagon wheel farmhouse wreath that I had last year, and I really, really love this wreath. It's just very minimal and dainty, but it is perfect. Alrighty, you guys, so that is the end of my fall clean and decorate with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it also gave you maybe some inspiration if you're needing some ideas on how to decorate your home this year. I love it. I love how it came out. It's just simple and clean and just not a whole lot going on, but that is totally my style these days. And so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.